What's up, guys? Just woke up. Show you a room tour. So, my stick box, this Minecraft thingy. Oh, and I'll read First Hand Space. It's really fun. My Lego Tuxedo Cat, and I've got another one, which is Titanic. Sorry, but that one did the fun of the loose. My very own moon. My pictures, my memory pictures. Me and my best friend. This unfair play game. Another unfair play game. Another unfair play game. Oh, and my friend Jacob. Oh, and this. Okay. Let me just stand it on my side. Oh! Okay, I might need to. Yeah, this is it. This is it from the back. And I'm just gonna keep it like that. And these are all of my stuff. Oh, and I forgot to show you this. All of this. You wonder what that controller is there? My very own moon. There we go. And if you remove that, then there's a spider. So bye. Make sure to subscribe.